Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel, and this video I will show you how to remove watermark in Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you looking to get rid of an existing watermark from your Microsoft Word document? If so, in this video, I will show you how to do it. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add or put watermark on your Word document, but now what if you want to remove it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open the Word document first. And as you can see in here, there's watermark on this document. If you want to remove it, it's so simple. You can just go to design on the ribbon menu. You can click on design. You can click on watermark. In here you can edit the watermark, but because you want to remove it, you can just click on remove watermark in here. So now, as you can see in here, the watermark from your Word document is disappeared. And if you want to add or put watermark again, you can just click and choose in here. You can choose the template, or you can custom your own watermark, or you can just see more watermark from office.com. It's very simple, right? Don't forget to save your file, and that is how to remove watermark from your Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.